The sober living scheme that defrauded Arizonans of an estimated $2.8 billion was under scrutiny today at the state capitol.
This time, lawmakers are trying to hold the state's Medicaid agency accountable 2 years after this massive crackdown. Fox 10 investigator Justin Lum has reported extensively on this scandal and joins us live now with the latest. Justin.
And I can tell you, I have heard from so many behavioral health providers who say that they have been scapegoated and have waited several months for access to pay them for services they have provided. Now, the reason why they say they've been scapegoated is due to the alleged bad actors who in the past have targeted vulnerable people, including thousands of tribal members, without providing any real treatment. It was a packed house for the State Senate Health and Human Services Committee, the focus on the multi-billion-dollar access scandal. There were clearly two sides to the issue. Victims of fraudulent sober living homes, like a woman who says she was kicked out at 8 months pregnant.
People in these homes were being recruited off the streets and some supplied with drugs just so they could keep billing. Many people that I was there with did not survive.
Behavioral health providers claim to be wrongfully punished for the state's 2023 crackdown that suspended hundreds of payments. Now providers who have not been suspended are in fear of retaliation while waiting for delayed reimbursements for services to patients under the American Indian Health Plan.
We continue to accept these patients knowing full well it will likely result in uncompensated care, and we shoulder a heavy administrative burden as a result.
The fallout is far from over, as Access members have been moved to ACA marketplace plans so the billing can continue.
They're just being shuffled into these homes under the marketplace plans. You can see recruiters out there at the park.
The committee's chair, Republican State Senator Karen Werner, questioned Access officials, including Inspector General Vanessa Templeman. There were several answers that could not be provided.
Why hasn't anyone from inside of our government, your department, been held accountable for the massive fraud that has transpired?
Madam Chair, thank you very much for the question. I respect you. I respect every senator sitting on this panel today. I respect this branch of the government. So while I would love to answer your question, I am unable to at this time, and I apologize that I apologize for that. I understand it is frustrating.
Now, the person who we haven't yet heard from is newly appointed Access Director Virginia Roundtree, who was recently nominated by Governor Katie Hobbs. There is a lot of public interest on this topic, not just on the inside of chambers, but on the outside. As many as 800 people live streaming this hearing at one point. I'm Fox 10 investigator Justin Lum.